You guys are probably asking yourself right now, why does Will have so much hair? Well, this is actually present day Will. Our vlogs are a little bit behind. But anyways, Sailing CoCo has launched a website and I really recommend you guys checking it out. It tells you guys a little bit more about us and there's some dope merch on there. Link in description for the website. Now let's get to episode numero 53. Whoop whoop. Episode 53 starts off with CoCo leaving the Hobie Sound anchorage. We continue down the Florida ICW till we reach the Palm Beach Inlet, where we head out to the ocean. We cruise down the Florida coast and catch a fish along the way. We sail till we reach Miami. We go through the government cut and drop the hook at the Marine Stadium anchorage. The next day we leave Miami and head out into the Biscayne Bay. We sail till we reach Pumpkin Key, our first anchorage in the Florida Keys. The next day we leave Pumpkin and go through the Angelfish Creek Inlet. We sail the shallow ocean till we reach Rodriguez Key, where we decide to drop the hook for a night. The next day we leave Rodriguez and head further down the Keys. We catch a fish along the way and arrive at Sombrero Reef, where we do some awesome snorkeling. Houses are super mansions. Alright guys, leaving West Palm Beach, we're gonna head out to Fort Lauderdale via the ocean.
Yeah, I don't think it's a cuda.
Spanish mackerel.
Yummy mackerel for dinner. Nothing like some mackerel, rice, and Miami in one night.
With what seasoning? Tony's.
This stuff goes on everything.
That's the secret weapon.
You can't go wrong with the Tonys.
What do you think?
One of my favorite dinners.
Aww. E? Did you try it? Good.
Alright guys, we're going to the Keys today. This is the William Powell Bridge that will be going under. It leads straight out to the Biscayne Bay, where we're gonna cut across to the Keys. We're in the Biscayne Bay right now. It's got a super tight channel and super shallow waters. The depths range from about 3 to 15 feet in the Biscayne Bay. So if you have a deeper draft, I would be very cautious going through here.
Okay. Next. Name something about Santa that a kid wouldn't dare make fun of.
His weight. Fatness.
Yes.
His beard.
Yes.
His hat. His clothing.
Yes, his clothes. Yes, well.
Yeah, his clothes are hideous.
Going more south. We're leaving Pumpkin Key today.
Laundry day. These are the best little clips you can ever get. We have yet to lose a piece of clothes, so I'm hoping that I didn't just jinx myself. So we are at our anchorage, Rodriguez Key, I think it's called, and laundry has dried all day. So Petey offered to do a sniff test. These are the culprits right here. I think these are the ones we're going to give a little whirl to here. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we are.
If any of the clothes will smell bad, it'll be these ones.
Let's see, where is it?
Mmm.
Is it good? I can't believe you even smelled them. So, does it pass the sniff test? All right. Woo! We can start smelling a little better on board again.
What are you doing, Ethan?
Flying a kite off the back of a boat.
Here.
Let go.
Let him fly!
He might go.
Hold on tight.
Oh,
Let him fly! No, he's dive bombing!
Yeah,
Let him go, let him go! No! Go! What a save! Wow. Missed this kind of water.
I don't know why, but the crab pots are pretty bad here. You gotta always be on like watch like all the time because there's a million of them.
We didn't catch a fish on this pole, not that one. We caught a fish on the red. It might just be a seaweed on that, actually.
A seaweed chunker?
I don't know if it's fish.
Oh. Watch, get out and get down on that scoop.
Oh, yeah, it's a fish. No way.
Get down on the scoop, buddy.
Let's go, Ethan. Oh, is that a tuna?
Can we eat him?
No.
He's pretty little. Aww, there you go. All right, let him go.
We are at Sombrero Reef, Florida right now.
Awesome snorkeling at Sombrero Reef.
Our mooring ball is so loud right now, and we are trying to prevent it from making a noise or damaging our hull.
The thimble's gonna replace one of our lines here. So basically, thimble goes here on this cleat, and one of our lines ties to it.
Yeah, let some out, Pete.
Smart. The mooring ball's thimble is so long, which is causing the mooring ball to go under our boat, hitting our hull, which is so annoying, and it could jank up the paint job.
Well guys, after tonight, I do not think we will be staying the night on any mooring balls out in the middle of the ocean.